2018 GT86.
We got some unequal length Megan Racing headers we're putting on today.
We'll show you step by step how we're gonna do this. Hey.
Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see what that bad thing sounds like.
It's a 2.0 liter. Hey, better than one.
Jeez, dude.
Could be in a pussy.
You need to clean the daggone thing, son.
Damn.
Hey!
All right, to get this skid plate off, you're gonna need a 12 and a 10, and then you got some of these little push-in rivets. So you're gonna need a 14 millimeter with an extension to get up here.
That's not going. Same bit right here. I'll probably loosen it now.
Oh yeah. I didn't loosen it.
Like, no.
Y'all need me to do it.
Big Dad. You need Big Dad.
Oh, Daddy T gonna have to get on it now.
My eyeballs popped out.
How's it going, Sonny?
That sounds pretty good.
These were a pain, but you're gonna need a wedge to get these out from there, and you just wiggle it and it'll drop down. Here's a comparison between the stock and the Megan Racing. Had these little caps, had a little L. We just took those out. Now, you're gonna have to put the right O2 sensor in where it's placed, so don't forget that.
Disclaimer, we didn't have the correct size, so my genius brain says it's about a half a crescent wrench and should be ready to rock and get them off. So
in order to get this overpipe off, we had to take the heat shields off, unless we dropped the subframe, but we didn't want to do that. Here's a little comparison.
oh,
There it goes. old bulldog.
You get dumb, boy.
All right, this is what it looks like after the install. This one right here was a pain. Gotta use a wobble socket for it. Then you're gonna go up, hook your O2 sensors back up. Hey Zach, give me a rev.
I can edit this out.
I can edit this out.
All right,
Nobody look at it.
this is Zach. God damn it, it's so fucking bad. Dude, we just